At Sheboygan Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac, we treat you as friends and family in a stress-free environment. Here's the vehicle for you.
The all-new 2013 Chevrolet Malibu Eco is the no-compromise, smarter way to drive. Every little detail seamlessly works together for remarkable fuel economy at up to 37 highway miles per gallon. That's a remarkable 580 miles on a single tank of gas. At the heart of this rewarding driving experience lies a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with performance-enhancing direct injection and ingenious e-assist technology. Compared to its predecessor, Malibu Eco offers more passenger room while maintaining its fashionably sophisticated dual cockpit design. Ambient lighting, sport sculptured seats, and state-of-the-art technologies create an atmosphere well worth loving. And you'll love the easy-to-use innovations. From mobile technology putting control and convenience in the palm of your hand to effortless navigation available to help you stay on the right path ahead. It's designed with you in mind and engineered for smarter driving. The 2013 Chevrolet Malibu Eco. Waste not, get more.
Come see us today. Sheboygan Auto, 8 brands in one location, off Business Drive in Sheboygan, Wisconsin.